this flower. Let's see how to join on the go. We have completed the second last petal. Before we start the next petal, draw up this loop and attach it to the previous flower. This is the chain at the end. Each petal is made with one chain stitches and one chain. We will be joining in the top of this chain. This is where you're going to be joining this loop. Like that joins the two of these together. Now continue your chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. With that chain 4, go in the next loop and make a slip stitch. This is the first point of connect. Now to begin our next petal, we'll make chain 4, 2, 3, 4, and once again joining it to the next petal. In the next petal, as you can see, these are the two chains. Now we are going to pick up this chain. So now I have inserted my hook in that top of that chain, and I am going to pull this loop through that chain